Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a comment box border color using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this comment option, and here you will find there are many kinds of comment box. This is note comment box, typewriter comments, text box, call out, and so on. First I will insert this text box comments. Click on this text box and do one mouse cursor. Here you will find this text box border and scroll down and this border style and click on this comment box and select. Now click right button for our mouse cursor and select properties, and this is border color. Here you can change your text box border color, this other color. You can select here any color, select this one, okay, and I'll make it solid line and thickness I'll increase 6. And see this, in this way you can change your text box's border color, and all of your comment boxes border color the same way you can change. Yeah, this is also you can change here fill color, and this is fill color option. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.